Padali kayo masakitan? Wala, aring si Inspector, Agent 6 ayun na, ayun na. 3. Hi! Anyong lupa.
Because this is also a test for the orchestra. Okay, so how does everybody tune your instruments? How do you tune? Madam Luna, can you translate them para ano? Yan. O baka si Sir Ray pala. Okay. You understand, no? Now, my question is, because you are such a large ensemble, so the number one rule in a large ensemble, you have to have the same pitch. Your strings have to have the same pitch. So how do you tune? Ayan, sige. Melodica. Who has the, can you come here, Melodica? Come here in front. Miss Melodica, are you part of the Rondalia? Do you also play? Okay. Okay. Oh, so everybody listen. Come here. So, because the Melodica does not need tuning. It's already standard, diba? So, because the Melodica has a standard tuning, we have to follow the pitch of the melodica. Okay? Same thing, in an orchestra, if you have a piano, later tonight when you watch, there's a piano concerto. If you have a piano, you have to follow the tuning of the piano, the pitch. Okay, wait she will play her part. So that's your tuning, no? But I don't know if that's the way you do it. So let him play his part. Come on. Not everybody is the same pitch. So you need to make sure that that's the pitch to your part. Sol. Okay, let's ask. Play Sol first. Higher, it has to be higher. Homogeneous, no sound. Like everything should sound the same. Okay. So for the rondalia and for everybody, first thing you should know is what are the names of the strings, diba? You just tune the string. You're not using your fingers to tune. But notice for the banduria and the octavina, that's the tuning that we did. How many notes again? First, how many? 6. We have 6 notes. Now you see, you can use, if you enjoy a concert, you will not say bravo, bravo. Bravo is an Italian term. Now let's see, Miss Melody, come here. You just let her try just to blow.
Sige, sige.
Okay, bravo, bravo. Okay, I just had this crazy idea, no? Let's do it once more. But I can't come back here because you're talking. Let's... Okay, thank you.
Siya na si assistant na conductor. So sa concert, magkawala-wala ka ni conductor sa ibawa, siya may lead. So mana function niya. So karon siya ang lead. Baway sa conductor.